Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Roblox customer support ticket or what to do with the Roblox customer support ticket. So you can see that there is a Roblox customer support ticket with a particular number. So you can see in that page there are many options and it's written that we're currently experiencing high volume of inquiries. You know, Roblox is a massive platform and it receives thousands or maybe millions of reports a day, so they cannot just immediately respond with your problem. That's why they just immediately send you a ticket to solve it further or later on. That's why you get an immediate message from Roblox with a particular ticket number, which is actually your serial number for your problem. Then a human staff of Roblox will take care of your problem, and maybe within 1 week or maybe 4 to 5 days you will get another email like this. In this email they will probably come with the real solution of your problem, or the email may be like this. In this way they will show you a particular way to solving your problem. So in the second email they will try to show you a particular way to solve your problem, and the ticket number will be same, and that ticket number is actually your remark of your problem that I have already mentioned you earlier. This is actually serial of your problem. So using that they actually track you what you want or what you want to solve. In this way they just arrange the problem. That ticket number is literally your serial. So the only thing you have to do is you have to read the email very precisely. You have to follow the instruction which is written on the email. Then you have to wait patiently up to a real solution comes from the Roblox customer service. So that's all for today's video. If this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.